You may want to express your disagreement on a comment on TikTok, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to dislike a TikTok comment. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to our TikTok app right here. And once you find a video and browse through its comments, so you can just click on this comments icon right below the like icon, and you should be able to see the list of comments on that particular video. So for example, I want to dislike a comment like this one. You should be able to see this thumbs down icon right beside the like icon. So just click on that, and that is basically how you can dislike a TikTok comment. So you can do this on any other comments. Just tap on the thumbs down icon right beside the like icon on that specific comment. So if you don't see that icon, make sure that your TikTok is up to date by going through your app store and search for the TikTok app to see if it is up to date. So to do this, you just focus on this option right here. If it says open, that means that your TikTok is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update option, that means that your TikTok is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button if it shows for you, so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to dislike a TikTok comment. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.